Alrighty guys, this series is one of my favorite series I have ever done. Yes, we are back. It has been a very long time, but we are back with the 6th edition of the Monster Truck animation. This time, all 4 friends here have got ourselves in a battle royale with a winning prize of $100,000. Will they do it? Watch to find out. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, or zombie will come into your bed tonight and eat your head. Anyway, let's get into the video. Whoa. Where are we? I think this is a dream. I was just laying in bed. I was playing Roblox. Yo, shut up. Aww. Ah. On the top side, we have the bloodthirsty killers. On the right side, we have the amazing adventurers. And on the left side, we have what's your name? I guess we could say, the Great Friends? No, the Roblox people. Great Friends! Roblox people. And on this side, we have the Great Friends Roblox people. Ooh. Okay, what is happening? I don't know. But I think I've seen those guys before. Let the battle royale begin. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, battle royale? Go! Oh, huh? Ah! Oh, I know what this is. I'm just gonna sit here and play. Oh, phew. No, please don't. I'll spare you. But he won't. I'll spare you. But he won't. Huh? Ah! I saw what you did to my friend. No, please. No! Another one down. Oh, wow. I just upgraded my generator to level 79. Oh, yeah. This is great. Ah! Sorry. Huh? I can't get back up. I'm stuck. Watch out! Ah! Ow, my tire! Sorry, it was their fault. Obviously it is. Oh! No! Wow, look at this! A 3-stacked tower! Oh, a 3-stacked tower. Make it 1. Ah! What? Oh, it's a 2-on-1 situation. Zombie and Megalodon from the Bloodthirsty Killers versus Hot Wheels from the Great Friends Roblox people. I still don't know why they chose that name. Me too. No, I only know one skill. So much dust. Oh my. I think. I think he's this way. Ah! Oh. Ow! So much dust. Oh, I think I lost one of my teeth. Oh, there he is. My tire! My tire got me. Winner! Bloodthirsty Killer. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh man, I have so much. Ow! Hey, did you copy what I said? No, totally not, zombie. Totally, I would never do that. Oh no, I think I knocked one of them off. Huh? Ah! But you got eliminated. It's not over yet. How did you do that? I knocked you over. I won. That's unfair. Right? Actually, I forgot to say this, but when you knocked him down, he did a last resort and got back up. Which, don't attack me with your super sharp razor megalodon shark teeth. Does not count as being out. Call security! I'm getting back up there. Oh, Megalodon, you're going to jail. But seriously, that really hurt. Don't you dare copy what I said. But I did it first. No, Oh, what are the other contenders arguing about? Oh, come on. You want to battle me? I got loads of tires than you. Oh, you bit my ready for a rocket? A rocket? Get off! Seriously? I thought I was gonna escape. I didn't know. I mean, why? Every single time! Like, something always bad happens. No, it doesn't. Ah! Ah! You ready for the cannon? Wait. I thought you said rocket. Well, it's cannon now. Goodbye. Ah! This is to save us. No. No! Bro, why are you crying? It was your... Bro, why are you crying? It was your fault that you threw... It was your idea that you had to throw him off the ledge anyway. Bro, shut up. Okay. Cop wins! Thank you for watching this animation. This was one of the most coolest animations that I have ever made. One of the coolest videos. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because remember, just because Zombie flew off the edge doesn't mean he still will eat your head if you don't like yours and subscribe. Goodbye.